Explain.
This is a dog test. I've got one on my arm. These are electric collars. Another one on my neck. I'll tighten that in a minute.
Okay, let me see. Okay. And it's got 2 prongs. I don't know if the pond actually has one, but we're gonna go test it. You should hear like 3 beeps before you actually get tased. Or tased.
I'll do that to my arm first. Alright, so what do I do? Push this
No,
back?
you just go. You just get closer.
Right, I see the red light.
You just get closer.
Does it hurt? Have you done it?
Yes, I've done it. Just go, pussy.
I gotta tighten this one first.
Oh my god. No, just fight. It's fine. Just go.
Whereabouts is it?
I don't know. Just go closer to the pond. I don't know if it'll work. You should hear a beep. You should hear a warning beep before you actually get tased. Jeez. No, just keep going, mate. Hey, come round here.
This actually hurts.
Yeah, it would. Imagine that, but on your neck. With like really
on my
tight.
neck.
No, but like really tight. Because the dogs aren't allowed in the pond, so we've put a invisible electric fence down.
When's the last time you did it?
Oh my god. Like a year ago when we moved here.
You gotta do one. Here you go.
What? No. Why do I have to do one? I've already done it. Dude, just do it, mate. Do it. Yeah, do it without. Okay, give it. Okay. Whoa, there's not one over here. Oh, there's not one over here. Okay, we'll be back faster over there. Actually, was one here.
I'm over it.
No, just keep going. Like, get to, like, here. Give it here.
Oh, so is that a certain height?
No, it's gonna be really down low. Oh yeah, it's gonna be low because the dog's tiny.
Doesn't go there. Ready? Ah!
Didn't do it though.
Oh.
Should we just go to the...
Alright, ready?
Oh my god.
Ah! Ow!
Well then. Should we go to the other one?
You gotta do it now.
Why do I have to do it? I already did it.
Here you go.
No.
You gotta do one.